So last time we changed the rear axle of my 1964 petrol Unimog.
Flashback.
Yay! What are you doing, Odin?
Don't know. He's gonna do a TikTok thing.
I'm gonna do a get the camera.
End of flashback.
Only thing we didn't do was like adjust the brakes, so because it was way too hot, we got way overheated. So we're back doing that again, and I wanted to show you how that works. So you have this little. You're trying to see it with the light there. Trying to. Anyways, can you see that? There's a little adjuster knob on the other side. I'm sorry. There we got a little adjuster thingamajig on this side. There's basically a knot. There we see it with a small bracket, and we can turn the adjuster screw here to push both brake shoes out. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do now, right? Yeah. There's an Odin somewhere. That's what we're gonna do there.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, before I forget, there is like two ways to do this. You got the non-conventional way is what we're gonna do now, because well, we always do it non-conventionally. We take off the brake drum so we can see what's happening. But on the back side of your drum, there's like a little rubbery thing.
It's a little rubber plug.
A little
This
rubber
one.
plug.
Usually it's painted over or it's full of mud. Covered with mud. But there should be a rubber plug here.
Yeah, just remove that one, and then you can stick your screwdriver in there and adjust the wheel that way. That's how you do it. Well,
From this angle I need some more light. A little bit higher. No, lower.
that's
like you see the screwdriver. You do it like, and then you fidget around.
and then you adjust the thing.
You have to do that a lot of times.
Yeah, so we're doing different, because that's way too tiring. Get it? Tiring.
Kind of doing it the same.
Yes. I got a second screwdriver. If I can remember where the hell I put that.
I don't know.
I'll take this one here. And I'm gonna, if you can see this, I have no idea if I'm aiming correctly. I'm gonna hold the spring. We switch here on the side. And the light, I can see.
Just makes it a little bit easier to
So I'm holding the spring.
going the right way.
Yes. So by holding the spring off, letting the tension off the screw, it's a lot easier to adjust. Especially when it's when you got like the new axle, it is completely screwed in. So yeah, that's a lot better. And then you do that a couple of times, and you fit the brake drum back on there.
If it doesn't fit, you have done it too much.
Yep.
Or that, or your brake drum is worn out.
Yep. So we've turned the nut a couple of times. And then we just try to put this thing back on here. Totally not heavy. And, well, this is going way too easy. Which tells us we need to do more. There we go. And I'm doing stuff, see? No. Okay, we adjusted it a couple of times. And
According to his specifications, just put it on there, Tom.
yeah, now it's too tight.
It's an automatic braking system.
Now it's an automatic brake system. Okay, so we know that we are now in the ballpark, basically. And turn it back, Odin. You can do that.
The other way.
Do I have to do the thing?
Also, watch out that you don't.
Yeah, don't puncture the.
Soon.
Yes. Oh, it's again very hot and moist today. A lot of people like that word, don't they? Moist. Vochtig. Dutch word of the day. Vochtig. Met the night. Nice. Vochtig. Moist. Do I have to hold the spring? Makes life a little bit easier.
Sometimes it just.
Yeah, it doesn't help that everything's new.
I can see what I'm doing.
Try it again.
Try it. You're acting like it's heavy.
No, it's just hot.
I'll do nothing here.
So,
Yeah, just.
it's sliding over there, but it is rubbing. Off or on?
No, the brake drum on, the bolts.
No, that's what I meant. Yeah, that's the easiest way to remove your brake drums. Get yourself some eye bolts,
I have no idea.
and then you can just walk the drum off.
So when the
Oh,
new
hold on.
Oh, it's actually good.
A little bit, but I'm going to install it back. Oop. Never going to see that again. There it is. Do you remember which way to turn?
No.
You're always turning the wrong.
Yeah,
You're always going the wrong side.
you're always turning the wrong side, and you find that out after a couple of turns.
De verkeerde kant.
Bolt is on this thing.
Watch Odin's process of figuring out which way to turn.
If you turn it.
Yeah, you've been doing it the entire time.
Yeah, I know, and I forgot.
Yeah, he'll figure it out eventually. So he figured it out. Yes, it is. It's yeah, with one hand is not doable, but it is turning. And I guess we adjusted it about an inch. For an inch. I'm talking like retard units here. Like 2 centimeters.
Yes. Thank you.
We've been adjusting it a couple of centimeters, which is apparently it's an inch.
You've been working on the darts too much.
I've been working on the Dodge too much. You know how tiring it is to work on a Dutch that's been owned by several European people. So every bolt is like a guessing game if it's metric or imperial or what you call it. It's like every tool is going to end up everywhere because you need the 13 and the half inch and the everything. Sometimes drives you nuts. Get it? Ah! Anyway, this is on there. Hold it. And it is turning freely. So we can put the wheel back on. No, we don't.
Yeah?
No.
Yeah, do you?
Because while we're at here, last time we noticed that the shock absorbers of this Mog did not survive the
Trip to Iceland?
trip to Iceland. The oil inside it has left the chat. So I got some new ones. Hope they are okay. And let's install those. So this is why we are replacing the shocks. I mean, it's just like there's nothing there. So we got some new ones. That's also an old one. In a box. Box. In a box. So these are reproduction shocks from what was it?
VK parts, I believe. This is VK parts.
Yeah, VK parts.
VK cars.
VK cars. VK.
They have like 3 options. Like these ones, the heavy duty ones and adjustable ones. Yeah. So if you have too much money, you can choose the, oh sorry guys, you can choose the adjustable ones.
Yeah, and I think for like the radio trucks, it might not be a bad idea to get the heavy
duty ones, yes.
This is good too.
Kind of wondering how my shocks are now, but
well, when we were doing your rear axle, we didn't notice it was this bad. So.
Yeah.
Like I said, Iceland is a wonderful country, but it's hard on all trucks. It's hard on any truck. That's why we love going there, because, well, that's an adventure. That's looking shockingly new. Yeah, and for comparison, these, you have to put a lot more pressure on them to get them pushed back together. So I think that'll help a lot. I hope it'll help a lot. Here we go, that's one. Bye. Next. It landed underneath the jack.
Well, yeah.
Yep, there's one. I do have to say that these shocks seem to be a lot less firm than like for the shocks on the Jeep Cherokee I worked on, or stuff like that, or even my Suzuki for that matter. But hey, those got like 3-inch lift kits, so maybe that was the problem. Also, after I lifted my Suzuki, there wasn't a lot of shocks to absorb, because that was way too stiff.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Everything seems to work just fine. Hold on. Familiar test track. Top secret location. Wow.
That locks up.
Oh, there's like everything here between my legs now. Hold on. Okay, seems like the brakes work. Nice.
So,
Well, we can conclude that the differential is no longer making noise, the brakes work, and it feels like the back of the I don't know how to describe that, it feels lighter. There's a lot less drag, and also with the new shocks, it doesn't like wiggle anymore. So all in all, a lot better than it was. Also, I gotta tell you, the bag is loaded because, well, our garage has been torn down, but everything is, well, in this mobile garage right now. So we're actually pretty loaded right now. And still the brakes are locking up, and we're pulling on a hill in third or fourth gear. So, yeah. All in all, I'm a happy camper. So, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Go to armytruckcom.nl for awesome merchandise, or consider buying us a coffee on ko-fi.com/armytruckcom. Thank you for your support. I will see you next time for an awesome event.